Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is October 31st. It is Halloween. We want to open some boxes this week. We also had a couple reps this week and get to see, put together some kits you can check out. Without further ado, let's get right into it. And that does it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I want to wish you all a happy Halloween. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.